Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to reply to a message in TikTok's inbox. Replying to messages allows you to engage in conversations and keep the communication flowing. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Choose the account or chat where the message you want to reply to is located. Step 3. Within the chat, find the message you wish to reply to. Tap and hold on the message until a menu appears. Now, tap on the reply option. By following these simple steps, you can easily reply to a message in TikTok's inbox and continue the conversation with your friends and followers. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to reply to a message in TikTok's inbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy engaging in conversations with the reply feature in TikTok's inbox.